What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is severing thunderstorm tonight, actually, but the camera's not getting wet. I'm lucky, but I can show you how it's severing thunderstorm. It's raining though. It could get thundering if it's right now, but it's severing. And anyway, my area is 8:38 p.m. 65 degrees here in Texas. Literally, I'm having an umbrella so that way I cannot get myself wet. But at 6 o'clock, I wanted to play in the rain in the backyard, but my mom didn't let me play in the rain. I wanted to, first time playing in the rain in January. Yeah. As you can see, that I wanted to get the umbrella off of me, so that way I wanted to play in the rain. I wanted to. See? But in this side right here, it's not getting flooded. But last year of 8th grade year, I had to get my tennis shoes flooded wet, but I had to be barefoot at the time. But I don't wear boots. Not really. I used to, as a elementary, when I was in kindergarten or first grade. I don't remember. Yeah. You can still see me on umbrella. It's dark. Yeah. I pretty have nothing else to say. I wanted to make a video about this. Please drop a like if you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.